Here we are at Southern Motion. Today we're going to talk about the 3 or triple power recliner: power lumbar, power headrest, and power recline. One of the questions we ask is if there's an issue with it, what could go wrong with it. So if you have a power lumbar chair, these are some of the things you can look for, kind of know what's wrong, what could be the issue. So in this particular chair, like I said, we have the 3 power features. So you have the control button on the side, which is the triple control. And then as we flip the chair over, you'll see some of the other features in here. And what makes this so powerful is that, one, you have this is the motor for both the footrest and the back, right? As this one has a Velcro right here. So if you just undo the Velcro, which is really nice. Now your chair might have staples. You can get like just a little screwdriver and just slowly pull the staples up. You want to keep them because when you're done, you can staple it right back into place. So just because yours has staple doesn't mean it's not fixable or workable. You can do that. But in the lumbar chair, what we have up here is we have a lumbar motor, and then to the side of it, a power headrest motor. They all come into this control right here. This is a 2-pin connection. This is another 2-pin connection. And then the connection that comes from the control is just this 5-pin connection here. All these parts, anything that you need, we can source for you and figure out what it is. Like I said, here's the motor. If you're not sure what it is, a lot of chairs actually on the back of the footrest, if you look in here, this is one Southern Motion, but if you have a different brand of chair, and here there's a tag that will have the model number and the serial number of the chair. If you can get us usually the model number, the serial number, we'll know all the parts that go into your chair. So if you have any questions, give us a call. If we have that information, like maybe a picture of the motors that you have, we can tell you what replacement parts you need.